Hey guys, so one of my VIP members just asked me if I could do an analysis for Boom 150 for them. So this is Boom 150. So the reason I can't log into TradingView and do the analysis is because B150 index is still new and not yet available on TradingView. So I'm just going to try to make it as quick as possible so that we get the analysis pretty fast. So first of all, we look for a chart pattern. You can see in this case, we've got this up, this down, okay? We go up again, we go down. You can see that we are creating what we call a double top, which is an M formation, meaning it's supposed to go down and touch somewhere here. So just basing on that only, we already have a trade. So right now we go deeper and look for another perfect entry so that we can take this trade with reasonable confirmations. Okay, so we now have a double top, right? So the next thing I want to show you guys is the channel. This is the channel, the parallel channel. You touch the highest point, which is here. Sorry, I'm not used to using MetaTrader. I use TradingView, so it's gonna be a bit hard. Okay, you can see what I did there. Okay, it's kind of hard for me to use MetaTrader. Okay, something like this. I'm very sorry for that. So if we take our channel, we touch the highest point, which is here, and the second highest point, which is here. Then we put our channel at our lowest point between A and B, which would be here. We have the next point where the market will reach. So just like that, we are now definite that the market is going to fall down and reach the bottom of this line, the bottom of this trend line. So just like that, we have two confirmations that are indicating a perfect sell on a big time frame, which is the 30-minute time frame and the 15-minute time frame. Okay, so after we get our channel, we can now move down to a lower time frame to see where we can get the best and the most perfect entry. So right here I would touch this low and this low. So if we put our trend line there and we let our trend line go, you can see that this was broken, this was the first touch, this was the second touch, then it was broken, and currently it's looking for a retest. If it finds the retest, it means that it has broken and will continue to fall down to the downside. But if it doesn't manage to break this line, it might go up and look for another resistance. But for the meantime, this is the strongest resistance we have. So that's one confirmation. Then the other confirmation is this low and this low. Right, so basing on this low and this low, you can see that if we move on to the 15-minute time frame, okay, the MetaTrader won't allow me to zoom in. I don't know why, but you can see that this right here was broken, this low was broken, and it went down and went to test this low. You can see that it closed under this low, which means that it has broken it as well. Now it's looking for a retest. So this has three confirmations, if not four confirmations to sell. So we have the channel to sell, we have the double top, which is indicating a sell as well, and we have this break of structure, sorry, this break of the order block, sorry, the support has been broken twice. This was broken, this was broken, and is currently at a retest. The final will be this trend line, which is a diagonal resistance, which was broken as well. So with those four confirmation, guys, you can enter your trade. If you enter here, you'll probably have a nice 1:4 risk to reward ratio, meaning if you're gonna put your stop loss right above here, you'll be risking maybe $10 to make $40, and your take profit will be right around here. So yeah, make sure that you watch more of my videos and make sure that you join the Telegram group. It's a new group. Make sure you are in there because we'll be moving from WhatsApp pretty soon, and it will be really nice if I see you in the Telegram group. So thank you guys. Watch the other video so that you get a better view of how I analyze the markets.